factories, hospitals, ports, campuses, wherever you operate, wireless network quality defines your competitive edge. The first of 6 compelling reasons to move beyond Wi-Fi to private 5G security. Wi-Fi relies on password-based authentication, passwords that can be shared, leaked, or duplicated. The deeper problem is that Wi-Fi operates on unlicensed public spectrum. Anyone nearby can detect the signal, and a sophisticated attacker can potentially intercept traffic. Your most critical enterprise data could be exposed over the air. Private 5G is architecturally different. It uses mutual authentication based on SIM credentials. Both the network and the device verify each other. Unregistered devices cannot connect, even if they detect the signal. Because private 5G operates on dedicated licensed spectrum, external traffic interception and interference are blocked by design. All data flows exclusively within a completely isolated private network, physically separated from the public internet if needed. Zero unauthorized access guaranteed. Once your network is secure, the next challenge is covering every corner of your facility. Stay tuned for episode 2. Wide coverage.